In this video, I will show you how you can make a carousel with image in the background and the text on one side, just like this. You know that there is not such a widget in Elementor which can give us this option. In Elementor we have slides. You can see we can't add the image to the background and adjust the text. This happens same with the image carousel. We can only add images to it. Now let's see how we can achieve our goal. Go to Plugins and install a plugin called Premium Add-ins. Install and activate it. Our plugin is activated. We have to install another plugin which will save our time. Search for duplicate post. Install now and activate it. Now go to Templates. Click on Add New Template. Select the section. Name your section. Add a new section. Give width according to your need. Go to Style, select Background Type and upload image from your system. Make image position center. Repeat to no repeat and display size cover. Now go to Layout and give your section minimum height according to your need. Let's give our image some background overlay. Go to Style and click on Background Overlay. Make it little darker. Now duplicate the column. Add heading. Adjust it font size. When you're done adding widgets, simply click on Publish button. To create another slider, go to Templates and this time duplicate it. Because we have installed the duplicate post plugin for this. Once the template is duplicated, rename it by clicking on Quick Edit and click on Edit with Elementor. Now again repeat the same process. Add your image, add your text and click on Publish. Do same for the third template. Once to create all of your templates, now go to that page where you want to add these templates as a slider. Search for Carousel. As you can see the premium add-in plugin giving us Carousel widget. Drag and drop it into your page. From the templates, select your templates which you have just created like this. You can style this carousel according to your need. You can see that we achieved the same like this reference site. In this way we can add carousel with text on the one side and image in the background.